vinyl wrapping. Well, I be a damn fool. Well, I be damned, guys. Y'all need to come check us out at Attention to Detail. Look us up on Facebook, Instagram, even got a Snapchat. We are doing a giveaway on YouTube once we reach 100 subscribers.
Yo, today we're tinting some tail lights on a Dodge Ram.
Mustangs or diesels, I'm gonna say that with all of them combined, over 20. Easily.
Bet you y'all had a fucking motor swinging in y'all's tree out front. Did you catch
No.
fucking headers on the mailbox?
Now, I'm not against that though. Until some redneck says, ooh, scrap. So rips it off the mailbox.
What's up, girls and guys? Working on a Honda today. This guy wanted it stripped and retinted. Pretty much what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lay the back glass, but not actually lay it, but I'm gonna shrink it, and I'm gonna finish up with a quarter, and I'm gonna actually really start tinting. Y'all guys stay tuned, and I can't seem to find my blade, which is always thing.
What's up, you goons? What's up, y'all?
It's fall, y'all.
And whenever y'all lay that, I'm telling y'all, there's more than three specs in that. Y'all gonna redo it, so it would behoove you to get that clean the first time.
Then boy hit him with the boo-hoo.
Come on. We got a 08 Shelby GT500, 7K miles. Getting some small stuff done. Got casing over here fanboying out. I'm gonna stall it out twice.
Today we're putting a little sauce on the GT500. Someone scratched up his hood. They tried to cover it up. It looked like they tried to use the name Sharpie. So what I'm gonna go back and do is I'm gonna do a small design to cover up those flaws, so the customer will be more happy and will love his car a little more.
Yo, 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 yo. We are out on location and we are taking some pictures right now, messing with our new setups that we got, video and photo. And we're doing some low light stuff.
Every man needs a truck. Get you one.
Now the tuxedo seems tough.